Alrighty, how are we doing, everyone? This video is going to be how to list or sell your NFT slash Bitcoin miner. Now, some people, they'll purchase many, they'll purchase multiples. You can even purchase them off the secondary market here. And say you purchase one and you want to resell it, you know, you want to do some flipping. People can do that. You got to make some decent money buying some cheaper miners and then selling them for a bit more. Now, once you buy it, you might not know how to exactly sell it. Or if you purchase a brand new one and you want to sell it because you bought a better one on the secondary market. Well, remember, you have to have it minted in order to sell it. Same thing, you have to have it minted in order to list it. Now, I already have a video on how to mint your NFT, and in my previous video on how to transfer and or send it to someone, it also describes how to mint it. So I won't go over that process again. You can find that video, or I'll leave it down in the description below. So for this, very simple, very simple. Again, you want to either click on your miner, scroll on down these three dots, click sell, and that way you'll have chosen the miner specifically. Or you can just hover over your miner, click on the three dots, click sell, and that'll choose that miner specifically as well. Or if you go over to the marketplace alone, you'll see right here it says sell miner. Within here, click on this tab and you can choose the two miners or whatever miners you have. I have two, so this is my two that I'm going to select. Now, I've actually been wanting to sell my 100 terahash miner at 20 watts a terahash, so I'm actually going to list it now. Once you have selected your miner, so normally they're going to have this toggle clicked on where it's linked to the market price. From here, you can actually adjust it so you can different from the market, so what people currently have it posted as, or you can increase it from its current price that most people have it posted as. I'm going to leave it at 0% because this is actually around how much I paid for it, and I'm going to have it posted on there. So if anyone watching this video, if you want to buy a miner, this one will be posted. Feel free to buy it. Next, you're going to scroll down. You can see that the price for the buyer is going to be this much. There is a service charge fee that goes to GoMining, which they then use for other stuff. And then I will get this much back. The first step you're going to want to do is connect your wallet. I am using a Trust wallet, so I'm going to have to click on MetaMask. It's going to want me to sign in. It's then wanting me to connect this wallet, which is already connected. It knows that it's on the BEP20 network, which is the Binance Smart Chain. And then now I have to approve, and it's going to cost a small fee, but because it's on the Binance Smart Chain, it's literally a penny. But I have to confirm it on my Trezor wallet. And now after you have confirmed your transaction for your smart contract and it has been approved, you're going to want to click sell and then list for sale. And just like that, you have listed the NFT. The price for the buyer is 5,062.7 GoMining, and I will get 4,821.62 GoMining too. And now, you know, if you feel like you made a mistake, you can go over to selling. Your miner will be here. You can delist it. It's not like it's going to get bought instantly unless you put it to like an insanely low price. So you can always click delist and then click yes, and then it'll automatically delist it. I'm going to keep mine posted because I actually want to sell mine. I would like to put that 4,800 GoMining into this. So let's see if I can add an extra 100 onto this to get it up to 215. How much would that cost me in GoMining tokens? Look at that. It would only cost me 4,600 GoMining tokens to get this up 100 terahash. We could get even more. We could probably get, ooh, let's keep it going. I think it was, yeah, it was 21. It was 4,821. Ooh, yeah. We could get an extra 108. Well, not an extra. We could get an extra 3 terahash on top of the 100 terahash for selling my 100 terahash miner. That's not bad. That is not bad. So I hope this helped anyone that, you know, was having trouble or wanting to sell a miner, or potentially was scared to looking into buying a miner because they did not know how to sell it. But before I go, if you want to start mining Bitcoin today, you can always start with just 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash for $26.99. You'll be bringing in 2 cents of Bitcoin a day, 68 cents a month, and $8.36 a year at up to a 31% ROI. If you use my discount code, you'll get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased. If you feel like being a big boy with it, you can buy 5,000 terahash at 50 watts a terahash for $136,372.99, and you'll be making $144.38 a day, $4,331.46 a month, and $52,699.53 a year, with an ROI up to 38.64%. So, hope you guys have a good day. Feel free to start mining. Referral link will be down in the description below, as well as any other links. And remember, click that service mining button, and have a good one. We'll see you guys soon.
Stacked it to the ceiling, now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch, get out the way. Charging that shit like a bull.